Hi guys, we want to find the value of a plus b will be equals what? Given that we have 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b equals 1 divided by 11. Now let's have it in solution. Now let's multiply it through by ab. Then we have 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b equals ab divided by 11. So from here, we have AB divided by A plus AB divided by B to be equals AB divided by 11. So obviously, this we cancel this, we have B plus this we cancel this, we have A to be equals AB divided by 11. Then when we cross multiply, we are going to have 11 multiplied by A plus B equals AB. Then from here, when we open the bracket, we have 11A plus 11B equals AB. Then let's take the whole of this to this side. So we have it to be equals AB minus 11A minus 11B to be equals 0. Then let's take this and this together. We have AB minus 11b minus 11a. Then from here, when we have plus 121, then minus 121, this will be 0. Then we have everything back. Then we have this to be equal 0. So now from here, guys, b is common. We can factor this as b, open bracket, 8b divided by this, we have only a. 11b divided by this, we have only to be equals minus 11. Then let's also take this and this together. We can factor minus 11 outside. So here will be a. Then the whole of this divided by this, we have it to be minus 11. Then let's take this one to the other side. We have it to be 121. So a minus 11 is common. We have it to be a minus 11. Then the whole of this here divided by this, we have b. The whole of this divided by this, we have it to be minus 11 to be equals 121. So from here, we have a minus 11, then multiplied by b minus 11. We can express this as 1 multiplied by 121, or we have it as 121 multiplied by 11. Sorry, multiplied by 1, or we have it as 11 times 11. The whole of this will give us 121. This will give us 121. This will give us 121. So from here, let's consider this first one. It implies that a minus 11 equals 1. A minus 11 equals 1. And this implies that our a equals 12. Likewise, from here, b minus 11 will be equals 121, and our b will be equals 132. When you take this one to the other side, to be 132 plus this. Also, when you consider this second expression, we are going to get the same answer. Here we are going to get a to be equals 132 and b will be equals 12 when you consider this one. Then when you also consider this, so when we consider this one, definitely from here, our a minus b will be equals 11. We have a minus 11 will be equals 11, and this implies that our a will be equals 22. Likewise, when we also have b minus 11 to be equals 11 here, definitely our b will also be equals 22. But we are looking for what? A plus b. So we are looking for a plus b. Our a plus b will be equals. So this is what we have. Now, we want to find a plus b. For this, when we consider this one, we are going to have here to be 12 plus 132. Then we have a plus b will be 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1 will also be 4. We have 144. Likewise, When you add this one together again, will be also equals 144. When you add this one again, we have 144. So we consider either of the one. So for this 2 will be A plus B equals 22 plus 22. That will be equals 44. So finally, A plus B equals 144, 44. If you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye-bye.